Okay, we're back for video 2 of section 1, chapter 1. And in this one we have some examples that are asking us to find two other names for BD. I'm going to go ahead and do a little highlighting here. Line BD, so that goes through like that. Two other names for line BD. So the first one, they started with these 2 points. Oh, they labeled the line M, so we can just say M. There's one name. And we could say, oh, we can switch the letters. DB. Line DB. That would be the same as BD. Trying the next one, says give another name for plane T. Plane T. That's the gray plane there. Oh, we need 3 non-collinear points. So I could say plane, let's see, ECB. Or ECA, or any other 3 points that are non-collinear. Key point being non-collinear. Name 3 points that are collinear. Ooh, A, B, and C are collinear. Name 4 points that are coplanar. Coplanar means they fall on the same plane. Well, we have that plane T, and the point T is not a point in the plane, it's the name of the plane, or one way of naming it. So we have A, B, C, and E all lie in the plane. Notice point D is not in that gray plane, it's out on that line that intersected the plane at B, but it's not in the plane. Next page. Give another name for, what's this called here? This is segment PR. And want another name for segment PR. There's a bunch of ways we could say it. R segment RP. We could do, so that's the only way we could do it. The segment is just this long. There's only one way. It has endpoints, so we have to have the ends in the name. Name all rays with endpoint Q. Well, starts here. We could have one going that way. That would be ray QT. We could have one going that way, which would be ray QR. Starts at Q, goes through R. And ray QP goes that way. And the last one would be that way. It's ray QS. Starts at Q, and which of these rays are opposite rays? So opposite rays. These 2 here would be opposite, and these 2 here would be opposite, wouldn't they? I should do that in a different color. Those would be opposite rays. They start at Q and they go in opposite directions. So that would be QP and QR. Once QP and QR are opposite rays. They're in green, aren't they? And then we have, what's the other set of QS and QT? QS and QT are opposite rays, and that is in red. Okay, this first example, they ask us to sketch 2 different lines that intersect a plane at the same point. So here is a plane, and we have a line that goes through, and we'll label that line P and line Q, and they intersect at R. Intersecting at R. Next one's name the intersection of PQ and line K. Well, here's line K, and there's line PQ, and they intersect at M. And the next one, name the intersection of a plane A and plane B. Plane A and any A and B are going to intersect there along K, so that would be line K. And that's it for the day. Go ahead and finish problem 7 as question number 1.